Why do pirates cover their one eye? Pirates are very vicious, dangerous and deadly. These people can go to any extent to rob the treasure. If you have seen pirates in your real life or in a movie, then you must have noticed that pirates wear eye patch on the one side eye. But many people don't know that. Why pirates actually do this? Some people speculate that pirates tie an eye patch so that he can hide their lost eye or cover the injured eye with an eye patch. But this is not true at all. So what is the truth? Why do pirates wear eye patch? So let's know in this video. First of all, we will know that what is an eye patch. Eye patches are the things which are used for the characters protect their eye from being seen. They are also often seen for pirates and can appear in different sizes and shapes. Now we will know that why pirates use it. Pirates' work is fight, kill people and plunder other people's treasures into their own treasury. In such situations, pirates use many methods to win the war, cleverly and easily. In all these ways to win the war, one way is to cover your eye with an eye patch. Mainly, eye patches are used by pirates to increase their eye potential. In fact, pirates have to be ready for war at any time. This fight can also happen at night. In such a situation, to make your eyes fit to see in the dark of night, the pirates already cover their eyes. Because it is very difficult to see in the darkness of the night. The pirates already cover their one eye so that the light of the sun does not enter into that eye. When you keep the eye covered for a long time, the ability to see with that eye increases significantly. When pirates battle at night, they remove the eye patch from one eye and place it on other, and the pirates can clearly see with the covered eye in the dark of night. And because of this, their chances of winning the war also increases significantly. Because our eye takes about 30 minutes to accommodate in the dark of night, but during the war this time is much longer. So pirates already cover their eyes to see clearly in the dark of night. Now we will know some unique facts that you have never heard before. This question comes in the mind of many people. Do pirates marry? In fact, history shows that pirates were not unlikely to marry, with many a pirate captain bringing his wife aboard ship for the ride. Some of these pirates' wives have a great adventure, while others had a rough time. Why do pirates wear red? Pirates particularly favored red ones, since the dye used to create this color was expensive, which meant only wealthy men owned such luxuries. Sometimes these were worn under a leather belt, other times as belts themselves. All seafaring men, be they pirate or not, like to dress up when they went ashore. Are females also pirates? Most pirates were men. In fact, it was traditionally believed to be bad luck to have a woman on a board of a pirate vessel. We do know of a few women who were also pirates. 3 women turned pirates with the connection of the United States are Annie Bonny, Mary Cratchit and Rachel Wall. Do pirates still exist? Worldwide in 2019, there were fewer attacks and attempted attacks on ships than there had been in 25 years. But as the Guayaquil attack hints, pirates may be getting more active. Already, the first 3 months of 2020 have seen a 24% increase in pirate attacks and attempted attacks over the same period in 2019. What does wearing an eye patch do? Treatment corrects amblyopia by training the brain to use the eye that has weaker vision. This allows vision to develop normally in that eye. Covering the stronger eye with a patch is the most common method of treating amblyopia. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.